guys, Haley Gaines here today. Today I'm going to be singing Bruno Mars' It Will Rain, and I hope you enjoy. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it will take a whole lot of medication. We don't have it anymore. The religion that could save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. Think of all the sacrifices I'm making. Keep me by my side, but keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. And there'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it will rain, rain, rain. Ooh. Daddy can't even look me in the eyes. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Still there's my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. They're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, darling, watch me change their mind. Well, I'll try. I'll pick up the broken places till I'm bleeding, if that will make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. 'Cause there'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it will rain, rain, rain. Ooh, don't just say goodbye. Don't just say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that will make you right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. And there'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, rain.